Children, today I will read the chapter 4. Abu Ali counts his donkeys. Okay. ONE1 DAY day, ABU Abu ALI Ali, WENT Brand, PO2 THE the, FAIR fair, AND and BOUGST bought, NINE 9 DONKEYS donkeys. One day Abu Ali went to the fair and bought 9 donkeys. HE ROD road, HONE home, ON on, ONE1, OF off, THE and them. He rode home on one of them. THE the, REST rest, OF off, THE the, DONKEYS donkeys, FOLLOWED followed, BEHIND behind. The rest of the donkeys followed behind. AFTER after, A, WHILE while, ABU Abu, ALI Ali, SAID said, TO2 HIN SELF himself. After a while, Abu Ali said to himself, I, MUST must, MAKE make, SURE sure, ALL all, MY my, DONKEYS donkeys, ARER HERE here. I must make sure all my donkeys are here. AND and HEE TURNED turned, AROUND around, TO2 COUND count, THE and them, and he turned around to count them. Next page number 46. ONE1 TWO2 THREE3 FOUR4 FIVE5 SIS6 SEVN 7 EIGST 8 OHO WHERE where IS is NUMBER number NINE 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, where is the number 9? ABU Abu, ALI CRIED cried. Abu Ali cried. ABU Abu, ALI Ali, JUMPED jump, DOW and down, FROM from, HIS his, DONKEY donkey. Abu Ali jumped down from his donkey. HED LOOKD looked, BEHIND behind, THE the, ROCKS rocks, and BEHIND behind, THE the, TREES trees. He looked behind the rocks and behind the trees. BUT but, THERE there, WAS was, NO DONKEY donkey, TO2 BEB SWN seen. But there was no donkey to be seen. I will COUNT count, THEM them, AGAIN again, ABU Abu ALI SAID said. I will count them again, Abu Ali said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. OHO HEE MUST must, HAVE have, COME come, BACK back. Oh, he must have come back. SOSO ABU Abu ALI CLIN BE decline. BACK back, ON on, TO2, THE the, DONKEY donkey, and TROTTED trotted, AWAY away. So Abu Ali came back onto the donkey and trotted away. AFTER after, A, WHILE while, ABU Abu ALI COUNTD counted, HIS is, DONKEYS donkeys, AGAIN again. After a while, Abu Ali counted his donkeys again. HEV COUNTED counted, ONLY only, EIGST 8. He counted only 8. ONC once, MORE more, HEE LOOKD looked, BEHIND behind, THE the, ROCKS rocks, and BEHIND behind, THE the, TREES trees. Once more he looked behind the rocks and behind the trees. BUT but, THERE there, WAS was, NO DONKEY donkey, TO2 BEB SWN seen. But there was no donkey to be seen. I WILL COUNT count, AGAIN again, I will count again. ABU Abu ALI SAID said, and DHIS this, TINE time, AGAIN again, THERE there, WERE where, NINE 9. I will count again, Abu Ali said, and this time again there were 9. JUST just, THE and then, ABU Abu, ALI SAW, HIS his, FRIE and friend, MUSA Musa, WALKING walking, ALONG along, THE the ROAD road. Just then Abu Ali saw his friend Musa walking along the road. Page 47. MUSA Musa, HED Musa he called. HELP help, MEME COUNT count, MY my DONKEYS donkeys. Help me count my donkeys. I KEEP keep, LOSING losing, ONE one. I keep losing one. WHEN when, I STOP stop, two TO2 COUNT count, I HAV have, ONLY 8, EIGHT ONLY only, EIGHT 8. BUT bet, WHIEN when, IGET get, DOWN down, LOOKING looking, FOR for, THE the, NINTH 9, THERE there, HE IS AGEIN again. When I stop to count, I have only 8, but when I get down looking for the 9, there he is again. WELL well, I CAN cans, SEEC, TEN 10, DONKEYS donkeys, ABU Abu, ALI Ali, LAUGHEG laughed, MUSA Musa. Well, I can see 10 donkeys, Abu Ali laughed, Musa. AND THE the, TENTH 10, DONKEYS donkeys, NANA name is, IS is, ABU Abu, ALI Ali. And the 10th donkey's name is Abu Ali. Children, this was the reading of the chapter. This much for today's class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you.